not where I entered. I entered. On was that picture helpful that I sent you guys? And models. It's just yesterday's trade, and I broke it down, like pointing out every single aspect of the image. I'm just like, this is the breaker block, this is the block, this is super liquidity, this is that. One thing that I'm noticing, that when we go to enter, what it needs is, like, see this one. This is a really good example. See how this one had, like, a breaker block, but then a really good displacement outlet? That's where you kind of go. I think that's what if we wait, like, once it hits a higher time of the block, and you wait for, like, good displacement, not like a micro fair value gap. You want, like, a good, like, one that you can clearly see it's a fair value gap without drawing it out. And that will, like, help your probability. Because I've been watching all the videos that I put in the YouTube or in our resources thing, just watching to, like, refresh my mind. And they're like, waiting for displacement. You don't want, like, barely moving out of the breaker. You want displacement. Yeah, so the nice thing is you have your 15-minute roadmap, so what's fine for us. And the nice thing is we didn't get set up. I woke up like 100 notifications. It's just like, this is why you don't trade before the red folder news. You're hitting that 1 hour fair value gap again. I don't know, this is crazy. you got a little bit more. See if we get a 1 minute unicorn in this verified one. Alright, 9 minutes. No, Red Fuller News happens at 7, so it's literally just a number that's released. Once the number's released, you're good. No, that's tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Yeah, no, on the on this Red Fuller News, it's literally just what's the number that they're gonna announce. Jolt's jobs. This is for Jolt's jobs. Let's see. This one is number of jobs opening during the reported month, excluding the farm industry. So, like, how many jobs were created the last month? Their forecast is 7.51 million, and actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if it's above 7.51 million, that's bullish. If it's below it, it's bearish. We're at 7 minutes. Hopefully we get a unicorn formation at like 7:01. We can enter, it's bullish, and it fills this entire minute. In a perfect world. The nice thing too about this Discord, you could press the little hide members and it literally makes my screen like massive for you. So click on my stream, like click on what I'm presenting and then the little hide. Yeah. Yeah, and then you could even press on the bottom right hand corner, there's a full screen mode, and then it even makes it even bigger. Yeah. Or you can even pop it out. So if you're on a computer, you can pop it out and have Discord over to somewhere else, but the video somewhere else on your monitor. I tried. So yesterday I did a bunch of back testing on my model for Bitcoin. It does not work on Bitcoin. This waiting for session liquidity and stuff. Yeah, so I gotta figure out. Yeah, no, so I did 15-minute order unicorns instead of a 1 minute, and it was less than a 50% win rate, and that was for 1 month.
you're still ended the month profitable, up 500 bucks. I did it literally as trading the 501 mil. Like, so I'd risk $50, and over time I made 500 bucks for that month, but it wasn't great. Well, I guess that's not bad. I mean, you doubled your money in a month. That's actually technically not that. That's actually pretty good. Come on, set us up a unicorn. So here's an order block. That's bearish order block, but in regards to our model, that's going to be a bullish setup if it goes through. Yep, you're inverting an order block, turning it into what? What do you turn it into if it's inverted? Nope. What is it called? What is it? What is this order block called if it's inverted? Yeah, there you go. Please do not set up right now. Please do not set up. I'm asking it not to set up right now. It is Jolts, so Jolts is like one of the ones that aren't crazy. I think I will take it if it... because Jolts is not one of the ones that's like a mandatory don't. Like GDP, you do not trade at time that one's coming out. It'll go crazy. FOMC, you do not. NFP, which is non-farm payroll, you definitely don't do that one. But Jolts is like okay. It's not ideal, but that's why I'm like, oh my gosh. So swing low right now is the 9:56 a.m. candle. Yep, and it broke structure to the upside. Yep. Nice. All right. Okay, this is the setup. No, but you're taking 2R on this one first because the liquidity is too high. Yep. So I take off 2 at 2R. I'm tapped in. Wait, how are you not tapped in? No, it should have tapped. Did you pad the body? Oh. You should still be fine. I think it just tapped you in. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there you go. You definitely got tapped in. That's the red folder news right there. Hopefully this is getting announced right now. Be bullish. Be bullish. $2R. Yep. Oh, it's bearish. Maybe you might get cooked here on the stop loss. We'll see. It is only Jolts. Jolts is really not that crazy. Alright, red folder news has passed. Now will our unicorn survive? Don't die, unicorn. much are I forget, I didn't look at how much are risky on this trade. Text. Yeah. My one accounts have to be blown. The ones with like no drawdown. Alright, those ones with like no drawdown are come on, bounce here. You're in that higher time frame point of interest. Come on. It could potentially form a bearish unicorn. Probably, yeah. If it closes that, if that account gets blown, yeah. Bounce here, invert that pair. Don't give it. Yep. Come on. Yeah, 3. Well, we're MN. Yeah, you're on NQ, we're on MNQ, yeah. Yes, yeah. Dang it. It gave us a fair value, right? Yeah, we're gonna probably get stopped out here. Yep, okay, we stopped out. That trade didn't work. And then now we set up for a sell. All right, I'm setting up for the sell. My order's in. I'm not in yet though. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, just got tapped in. That stops at swing high. And then on this one, that's London low. Yeah, okay. On this one, I'm going to sell my 2 at London low. My first CP is going to be at London low. Not at Is London lows the first like liquidity? That's less than 2R. Oh, wait. Something I just noticed. Huh? No, it's not true. There was liquidity sweep. Okay. Almost the first TP. Come on. How much is that? So it's like a 1-to-1 on the first TP. So it should make like 150. It should be up like 150 something bucks at first TP. But I'll take off 2 contracts, so that's 3 divided by 150 is like 50, so I'll make 100 bucks on that. So I'll be like break even for the day.
Order rejected.
Wow, geez, that just all yelled at me. I know, it probably did. B3. Has $70 in drawdown, you kidding me? Still get on drawdown on these amounts. Morning, Slayer. Yeah, this is the new model I created this weekend. Or really last week. I've been working on it for a while now. Dang, technically you get a unicorn. Yeah, you get one. I'm gonna stick to the one we're at because we're not at London low yet. I'm just gonna stick to where we're at. And if we get a swing low here on the 1 minute, I'll move my stops down. But we need price to come all the way back down to that 10:07 candle wick. And that movement up out of that breaker block doesn't look very strong compared to our move to the downside, you know? We have like good displacement. Oh, and technically this candle just broke through it, so now we have a unicorn to the upside. No, because it's not so our short had good displacement down breaking structure, but It could stop us out here.
Order filled.
Ah, shoot. Trailing drawdown set. And it looks like we're attacking London low. So that's our target. So I'm comfortable holding it to wait to either get stopped out or hit. I don't understand how some of my accounts are still open and some of them are blown. That one's open.
Order filled.
I think this one might stop us out. Okay, just retested the 5-minute order block. Hopefully it can reject that. Yeah, I think with the downside, you broke this low to left. You created displacement here. Here you had 2 fair value gaps in this unicorn formed. Like your probabilities are higher on to the downside, but if this doesn't work, that would be very frustrating. Come on. Go back down and invert that little fair value gap. There you go. There you go. Invert it. Come on. Yeah, 15-minute inverted a fair value gap to the downside. After sweeping liquidity and hitting London high. Like everything's looking like we're on the right side of the market. And we haven't hit London low, which we're almost at. Of course, this is gonna be the one that works, that comes up to blow all my accounts before it goes. Oh, I love it. I love it. I didn't do 6 in Q. I did 3 in MNQ, or 3 in Q. But you can't do less than 2 unless you're trading that account. And you can't do a multiplier for the other accounts because then that's 4. Yeah. Yeah, if you did, like right now, if you did a multiplier of 10, that puts you at 3 in Q. So if you did a multiplier of 5, it's at 15. You want to get to 20. 3 divided by 20 is 8, yeah. Or is that 24? You'd want to do 7. Basically 7. That puts you at 21. There we go, we inverted it. So technically, hopefully we can get a runner today. Hopefully we can go like down to the H4 and H1 range, discount range. I think London low is locked in now. The fact that we inverted. I just want us to break this low here. If we can break that low and get a candle closure underneath, we can lower stops down to yeah, that next low. Yep. Not yet. Yeah, that'd be cool too. Our full TP, I take full TP at Asia low. And that is over a 2R. No, I think if we can attack London, Asia's not far from London. And Asia's within the discount of the range of that H1 and H4. Come on. Do another unicorn to the upside. Not yet. No, not yet. It has to go through this order block here. This one right here. This one or this one. There you go. So those are the order blocks that we'd have to get through. There we go. Let's see the 5 minute. 5 minute does. That's actually good for us. This 5 minute has a change in state. Is it, oh, I thought you were talking about the 1 minute. There we go. Break that low. Break that low. Come on. Break that low. I am gonna try, once I kind of hopefully get Bitcoin figured out this week, I'm gonna try to do 5-minute unicorn backtesting and see if we get better stats with a 5-minute unicorn. On the 5? Yeah, I think you gotta wait until that candle closes. Oh, did you? Oh yeah, the 950. I see what you're saying. Yeah, that one, yeah. That's why when I saw that push up, we tested that order block that it formed on that CISD. So I was like, okay, it could just be a test of that, and hopefully it rejects. And we just need to break this low for good confirmation. Right now, it's just consolidating at the low. Have we got any bearish unicorns again? No. Did we? Sweet. That's good. That's good. One close up. Good. Let it be one of those ones that makes you cry because you got left behind. Close below that black line. Dude, just break the freaking black line so I can move my stops down and we can get confirmation. Because we could actually probably move our stops down. No, I'm just going to move it to that. Oh, is there a 5-minute order block now? That's lower? Oh, you can. Yeah, you're right. Trail 5-minute order blocks. Yep. Good looks. So now your risk.
Order filled.
Let's go. TP smacked. It's at London low. Yours didn't hit? Yeah, it's 539.25. So now it goes to break even. So your stop loss goes to break even. And then now we just hope we don't get stopped out at break even. My last TP will be at Asia low. So 23,503 is my final TP, and that'll close out my entire position. No. This is buy limit. Sell stop. Remember, if it's a stop loss, sell stop. Yep. And then TPs are, so because you're going short, your TPs are not sell limits, they're buy limits. They do opposite of what you did, right? So your TPs are doing opposite of what you did for your position. Yep, that's okay. Yeah, so do sell limit, or sorry, click below price, like lower than price, and right click and then do sell buy limit. So yeah, and then put it at, yep, buy limits for your take profit. Yep. So the first TP should have been at $23,539.25. That's London low. Perfect, good. And then your last one, if we get it, is 23,503. That's Asia low. I'd say just move it to break even. So then you don't lose money on a winner, but it sucks because you didn't make money, but at least you didn't lose money. Sell stop, yep, you right click above price, and then you should see sell stop. And then you put that to your entry. Yep. No, sell stop. Buy stop. Yes, you're right. Buy stop. And then you put that to your entry. Yep. Oh yeah, we might get stopped out. We actually might be getting a bullish unicorn here. So this will be my last trade of the day if we get it. I'm still not out. Got it.
Stop filled.
There we go. Now I'm out. So there we go. That one's a winner. What? Oh, I forgot to change my. I forgot to change the stop amount. Good thing you caught that. No. Nice. Oh, no unicorn here. What we got on that trade? It could actually give us another bearish unicorn here. It took away the, yeah, I know, right? So you have this order block. Oh, actually, you have this order. No. Oh yeah, you gotta break through it. And no fair value up in that one. That's good. My worst account has 800. 48,692. I hate how the buy stops don't update. It lost me a little bit of money, I think. Let me see. Where do I see how much that second one lost me? I'm down $34 for the day. Not bad. Are you? You're up $10? Nice. Oh, that's right. That's right. Honestly, what I would really love right now is we run to Asia low and then get a unicorn at Asia low to then target. But yeah, that Asia low would be my last trade of the day. Or whichever unicorn we get next will be my last trade. Because we just tapped into London low, so technically we can, if we get a unicorn set up, we can take that. So like when you're looking for a breaker block, you want the breaker block if it's gonna go bullish, right? So you want it to be down, up, down, up, down, up. You want the breaker block to sit in this upward move after the liquidity sweep, and then the fair value gap to be either in this move up, which there is a little fair value gap, or in this move up. And it looks like we might get a fair value gap, which would mean you got, I'm sure, 1029 candle. We're about to potentially get one on the 1035. So right here, 1025. Yeah, it has a fair value gap, but no breaker block. Yep, but it hasn't created the breaker block yet. But if it creates this fair value gap here and creates the breaker block, we would go long. buy limit would be at the top of the stop loss at swing low. But it looks like it's going to take it away. Yep. All right, I'm not doing that. What it could do here is create this guy. Right now, let's change it to orange because it's not confirmed. So I have this sweep. I have super liquidity here. We have another swing low. It's looking bullish. But also, if you could target, if we could get in a bearish unicorn and target the Asia low, that'd be awesome. Or even the 50% discount range. All those 5-minute fair value gap inversions would have worked this morning. What I'm going to try to do, Zachary, is literally do this model for 3 months straight. Like, not changing anything, doing the model I created, because, like, the data shows for 3 months straight, it works. Yeah, I'm going to try to do it for, like, 3 months of just not changing anything and just try to, like, just do this model. I mean, it's only 7:39. You're still in prime trading time. I don't think that's true. Let's see. Yeah, I looked yesterday. Tuesday. Oh wait, no, that's Tuesday. Monday. Yeah, look, Monday. Later in the day. 1,500 hours, like the last hour of the day. Look at that move. But unicorn, with this one you do. This one you trade all day until you get your, until you either get your 3 trades or I would have to go back in. I'm gonna go back and back test it. I think I can now back test that day. I'm trying to finish out July, so every day I get a new day I can back test. I just do that day, and so I can finish out July's stats too. Okay, so this is not an order block. This is not an order block. This is an order block. This is not an order block. You don't really get any good order blocks. Yeah, no. Maybe this guy here. This guy. And this guy. So potentially, we're going to get one here. I'm going to get it set up just in case. Goes on that orange line. Stops at swing low. This low here. So if this candle comes up and displaces through that dark orange area, that creates this one a potential breaker block. Give me like 6 seconds. No, Kendra's here with Kennedy. But I'm watching this, see, because I might get a trade in the next minute. So if I walk away and say hi. All right. Like I only have 50 seconds. Like at the 5 minutes, like, all right, I got 4.5 minutes. I can walk away real quick. So all that matters is that this fair value gap holds and it comes up. But it could still come back down, displace, and then you got this order block, and this order block, which those would be a little cleaner and a little tighter. But if this fair value gap's inverted, then it's no longer a fair value gap you can look at. Let me check the hour real fast. All right, hours holding that fair value gap, but we haven't hit discount yet. All right, looks like this is irrelevant now. Let me just wait. Okay, that's irrelevant fair value gap. You will not have that, but you do potentially have an order block here. I'm gonna set up a sell. Just this one right here. If it closes out of this one, we got one. Yep. Because this one doesn't have a fair value gap yet, so this one we can't use. But this one looks like we're gonna be able to use this. If we get this other one with a fair value gap in it, I'll move my sell limit up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so I initiated it. So if we get a fair value gap here on this order block here, well, this actually technically is a breaker, but it just doesn't have the fair value gap yet in it. If we get a fair value gap here, I'm gonna move my sell limit to this. Oh, but we're about to get tapped in. So I'm gonna delete this breaker. And then stops for me go basically where they were before, or first TP.
Order filled.
We're basically in the exact same trade, yeah. But for me, it's not at London low; it's more at that wick. A little higher. I guess I will just put it at the London low. Might as well. It's gonna go to the wick. It definitely will go to the London low. All right, let's hope this one wins. And then, so yeah, we're literally in like a copy paste of that same trade. So, all right, first TP is like 1.28R. Last trade of the day, yep. And then, oh no, cancel. I think I'm gonna take full TP at H4 discount, or maybe even I don't know. I'm gonna do Asia low. That's what I said before. That's what I was doing. Just gonna go Asia low, full TP there, and hopefully we can trail. trail stops there. Yeah, if it's, I already hit London low once, so if it's swept out liquidity and pushes through it, and that's in discount of the higher time frame range, so it definitely could come in there before it decides to reverse. Okay. We did have a change in state on the 5-2 right before this. So hopefully we can get an order block here. We might get an order block here on the 5 that we can move stops down to. That one before, we don't use the one before because that's before we opened our trade. Okay. Looks good. Looks like it's respecting that fair value gap. We have a sweep of this liquidity up here. We have a sweep of all this liquidity. We have a change in state here. A break of structure. Yep, this is a break of structure here. All right, I think I'm pretty confident in this trade. Give us Asia low. Come on. No order block. That's okay. And technically another unicorn, I'm pretty sure. Good confluence. Yep, another unicorn on top of that fair value gap. Boom. That's good. That's good. Got tapped in right there. Perfect. Do we get a breaker? No, no order blocks, but a breaking structure to the downside. You're not in? Oh yeah, at this point, it broke the structure again to the downside. It probably won't come back up. I would say if you're not in, just don't chase it. Yeah. because I'm almost to my TP, so you don't want to enter now and then, you know, you're barely, yeah, there we go. First TP
Order
hit.
filled.
Now stops go. Let me make sure I remember to change this again. Stops go to break even. All right, remember stops go break even, Zachary? And let's see if we get London low. Let's see if we can get a runner. So London low will give us a 3.51R. Or Asia low, I mean. I did. I know, I was like, dude, I don't want to do that again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on. I'm going to just now go to the 5-minute time frame because now all I do is either wait for it to hit my TP or wait for it to give me order blocks I can trail. So now I'm just going to hang out at the 5-minute. And we should hit Asia low. We're about to hit discount in that range. Let's go. Hit Asia low. Come on. Come on. Break through that range and give us some displacement. Even stronger, dude. Come on. Smack Asia low. Let's go. Hey, we finally got a runner. Exactly a good trade that you were asking for. The market delivered. Okay, I'm going to delete London low because that is an irrelevant session liquidity now. We're 2 for 3 today. Let's go. This is how the model's supposed to be. Let's go. Almost to Asia low. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. We don't have a single bullish candle on that 1-minute time frame. Come on, push to Asia low. One MNQ in a dream. There we go. Come on, give us a Asia low. We're so close. All right, it's messing around with us. Messing around with us. That's such a bummer that I'm fun accounts today. All right, 5 minute. Give us a little order block here. It could flip on us here. It did hit into the H1 fair value gap, right? H4 fair value gap. So it did hit into that 4-hour fair value gap. But Asia low is right underneath it. Maybe you can just push through, tap the Asia low, and then reverse here, but we'll see. It also could actually create a unicorn to the downside here. Another one. If it creates a 1 minute unicorn, I will move my stop loss down to that 1 minute unicorn down there. How much time we got? 20 seconds. Give us a 5 minute order block. Come on. It's not going to give it to us. That's okay. So you have this new swing low. See if we can break this swing low. Maybe give us a, oh, we can get an order block. So hopefully get a little order block here on 5 minute. Hopefully it pushes down in the next 5 minutes and gives us an order block, and then we can move stops, lock in. That would lock us in 1.46 R in profit if we can get the order block. It literally could also go all the way up and invert and tap us out at break even, but that's okay. What am I up now for the day? Now I'm up 50 bucks for the day. So 50 bucks across 5 accounts, or 12 accounts, 50 bucks, that's 600 bucks for the day. Up. Right, 12 accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 13 accounts. 13 accounts, 15. Honey bun on 6, nice. Yeah. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, yeah. Right? It's like good sometimes when it messes up. You're like, oh, thank God him. That would have sucked. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. I was hoping we get an order block here that we can move stops down to. Yep, full TP saw Asia low. Yeah. The other option is we could put it down to the day low and just see if it runs that low. Like 23,437. Yeah, because it did make almost a double top. I wouldn't. That's for me. I would not, because it's not with the model. Yeah. Yeah. And just let it run. No, because you already did. I'm gonna put it down to day low. I'm just gonna let it and just trail order blocks. Can you hear me? I'm just trailing order blocks. I took it off. I put it all the way down to day low. I won't let it run past that. If we get to day low, that's plenty. But I'm just gonna trail order blocks. Can you hear me? Yeah, I just put my full TP at day low. It probably will not go below day low. Yeah, 23,437. That's day low. So Zachary, if you zoom out to the 1 hour, or actually zoom out to the 4 hour time frame, so that is actually that low, the 4 hour. So if it actually is making a top here that's going to reverse on the 4 hour, we could definitely hit that. Oh, 5 minutes. That's what I want. And it looks like we're getting an order block on. It looks like we're getting an order block too here, so we'll get to move stops down. If I can't even move it. Wait, I can't even. Where's my buy stop? I can't move my buy stop. It's. Oh, wait, here we go. Wait. Yeah, I can't move it. I don't know why it does that. Like, how can I? It should be on top. I know, I can't move my buy stop though. It's stuck. Oh wait, this is how I do it. Okay, you can go orders, copy price, orders, working orders, buy, stop, edit. That's how you do it. Price, confirm. There we go. I moved it. No, I literally didn't have time to do all the counts. I know. I'm literally so bummed because I'm like, of course, the two that I tried first blew them, and the one that it works, I didn't have time to set it up. Sweet. Now we just trail. Yo, if we actually hit day low, that'd be crazy. Hang on, I'll be right back, Zachary. Beautiful. I think on 3NQ though, you're funded on this. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I don't know. You'd probably maybe need like. Wait, Anthony, you're on NQ right now, right? Oh wait, no, he's not. You're not in the position. This would have funded you? Oh, okay. Yeah. Anthony, what were you struggling with to get the position open at the top here? Uh-huh. Got it. Okay. Anthony, your easiest thing to do is when you go to do a position, right? Just use these little drags. You don't need to do all the other stuff. Just use these TP and stop loss drags. Yeah, you don't need to do all this. You can literally just use the dragging and dropping like this right here. See that? See what I'm talking about? Yeah, so when you go to do it, just grab that and drop it. Like, just quickly grab it and drop it. And then quickly drag and drop the TP. Yeah. And then, yeah, you could always adjust it after. Just don't put it too close where you accidentally hit it immediately. Yeah. Yeah, just try to, like, grab it and drop it near where we're saying we're going to put ours. Like, close enough. Let go. Then TP, just, like, throw it up as high as you want. And then you can always adjust it later. How's Solana doing over here? Solana might tap me in. So I got my Solana position up and ready. Stream. This is for the stream kind of because they more care about my crypto. I have my Solana position ready to go. We broke structure here on Solana on that move up. We created a fair value gap. My buy limit is on the weekly fair value gap, which stops at the swing low here. So stops would go here. And for me, first TP would be targeting this high up here on the weekly time frame. Actually, you know what? Let me see on the 3-day. Yeah, I think that would be my first TP opportunity. Is that high up there? But yeah, we're hopefully going to get tapped in soon with our Solana position. Stops at the strong low down here, and hopefully Solana finally gives us a winner. Solana honestly has been not great on our winners or on our positions. Solana, yeah, it just hasn't been working. Ethereum though is still doing great. I want Ethereum. My next TP for Ethereum, I'm gonna take another 20% at this high here. So let me delete this line. But at this high here, I'll be taking another 30% or 20%, sorry. And we're already up 4.45 R on our Ethereum position. So our Ethereum position's been killing it. Very happy with Ethereum. I'm kind of waiting for this consolidation to end on Ethereum before I move stop losses up again. Ideally, we break this high and form structure above this high, and then I'd move stops to this low. But Ethereum's doing really well. And soon Ethereum should be like attacking you can't see it, but previous all-time highs, because we're almost back to 4K on Ethereum. We caught this trade amazing. It was an amazing trade. We might get stopped out here on our NQ position if it comes and sweeps this order block But still, that's a great trade. I think it locks in another like $60 or $50 in profit for the day. I think it puts us over $100 in profit for the day because I already realized $50. So yeah, that put me $100 in profit. Hopefully it's just creating an order block and we can move stops down. Haven't tapped yet. Asia low is the last thing we haven't tapped today. Well, Asia low and the day low, really. London high is irrelevant now for this trade. And there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 unicorns we spotted today, and 3 out of the 4 were winners today. One was a pre-market. I didn't take it, but I wanted to see how it reacted, and it did very well. Yes, okay. It looks like we might get another 5-minute order block here. Oh, dang it. Give us the order block. Oh, didn't give it to us. Okay, it's breaking newer lows. Going lower. Almost to Asia low. Let's see what it does at Asia low. I'm hoping it displaces through Asia low. Because honestly, if we can hit that day low TP, that's a... Let's see, what is that? Let's see how much that makes us. Yeah. That'd make, on one MNQ, you're making $246 on that trade if it heads down to day low. Which is crazy to do it on one MNQ. Alright, we're getting displacement through Asia low. Hopefully it pushes through. Yeah. Are you on 3 MNQ? Are you on 3 NQ? Or did you do MNQ, Zachary? Oh, 1 NQ is what you're on? Yeah. Oh, got it. Yeah, so you're probably... You're probably not too far off. Yeah. 3,000. Yeah, 53. Oh, that's not bad. You should definitely hit that. With 1 NQ, if we can displace Asia low, like, you should definitely hit that. Yeah. How many counts? Yeah, that'd kind of make up for the ones you lost. Yeah, so you lose 1 a day to get back 5. Yeah, that should be us. Play Call of Duty or play. That was literally us every summer on our little Diamondbacks and specialized like hardtails. Dude, I don't know why my TradeZella says I'm up $131,000. I don't get why it's tweaking out like that. Is it? Alright, it looks like we actually might be displacing through Asia low. That's a pretty big candle through it. That'd be really cool if we could displace that. Maybe create, oh, that'd be cool if we could create an order block at Asia low. Then our buy stop is at our TP that we wanted. That'd be awesome. But we had SMT across all of our assets this morning. Still don't quite understand SMT or how to fully spot it. Oh. Oh, nice, dude. Let's go. Displace Asia low. Break through it. Dude, 1 hour looks great. I think day low is gonna hit. Oh, it's because it's on the Is that better? Yeah, I'm on my headset for you guys, not the other mic. I put them. You should be able to in Discord like adjust each user's volume. So like you can make me louder than everyone, so then when I talk you hear me over everyone else. Yeah. So you can like go options and then you can choose that user's volume to be higher or lower than everyone else. Dude, I don't even think we're gonna get an order block. I think it's just gonna keep going. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's showing there's nothing to stop. Once he's saying, Anthony, don't. Oh, you did? He's like, I'm already in. I don't know what you're talking about. He might get funded, actually. Yeah, you need 700. You need $700. Oh, okay, okay. Oh yeah, you should be. Yeah, you need like 1,000. Oh, you're fine. You're gonna get funded, dude. We're liquidate too. Yeah, you should be funded. Yep. You should have been funded there. That move should have probably gotten you. Oh wow, really? Nice, dude. Congrats, there's your first funded account. Yeah, I will. It hit it just now. You're probably like, what, 50, like $70, or maybe it was. Yeah, it looks like day low is gonna get hit. It's 50K. Yeah, 300Ks. I think if you really want to do 300Ks, I think the best way is like doing a scaling model with like 5 MNQ starting off or something, and making sure you take full TPs. Alright, you gotta be funded now, Anthony. Nice, dude. Let's go. First funded account, dude. You should probably, I think you'll have it before day low. So now Honestly, Anthony, I would tell you to probably wait to trade your funded account because you'd hate to lose it. Yeah, I'd say do that until you feel really comfortable where like you're not asking all the questions when I'm opening a position, like where you're not messing up buying and selling and stuff. Once you can do that, I would say then you're good to start trading your funded accounts. But until then, I'd say just try to keep doing evals and like learning on what I'm showing you. And yeah, dude, it's gonna hit day low almost. I'm gonna move my stop loss to Asia low. Yeah, no, that account you should be done trading because you don't want to accidentally ruin it and mess up being funded. Zachary, I just moved my stops to Asia low because we're showing pretty strong displacement, and I'm fine if it comes back up to Asia low. That's still over $100 you make on the day. Honestly, it's almost a day low. I don't think you really need to move it. Like, I think we're gonna hit full TP. Yeah. Alright, maybe we'll get an order block here. Yeah, we blasted through Asia low. We blasted through that. Yeah. I'm just gonna take full TP though at day low. I don't care if it goes lower than that. I really don't think it's gonna go much lower than that. Yeah, that's a huge. On one MNQ, we'll be up like 270. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it should. It ends today. So it ends today at like 5 p.m. EST, I think. might come back up and stop us out of Asia, but also lots of volume coming in here. But still, if we get tapped out of Asia low, you're still making like 120 something bucks on this trade with one MNQ. That's still sick. I felt like I did way better today on the model than yesterday. Today felt way better. Give us an order block. Mm-hmm. So that, because you had losses this morning. Yep. Yeah. Because your gross, so your gross is after the losses. Yeah. Yep, with that one trade, yeah. Yeah. There we go. Give us an order block here. Yes, you'll have to activate it on. So you go to your Apex. You'll get an email and just read that email and just follow what it says. But you just go into your Apex dashboard. You'll have to sign. You have to sign, and then you have to pay the activation fee. But when you pay the activation fee, you want to make sure you don't do the monthly one. You do the lifetime one-time fee. $140. Yeah. Yeah, Zachary did the month. Oh. They want you to not read it and mess up. That's what they want you to do. Yep, you can't change it after you pick. Yeah. There we go. Let's get an order block. Yep. Yeah. So you can't activate it until like 5 p.m. EST tonight. They'll send you an email saying you can now activate your account, and then yeah, I always just do it like as soon as I see that email, I just try to get it done. Yeah, I know. I think he's gonna give us one. That'd be sick. Lock in a couple more. I think that locks in like $140 in profit. Holy crap, dude! This guy's screen is terrible. Oh my gosh, dude! I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna send you guys this guy's screen. That is disgusting. Like a couple $100, yeah. Wait, he bought on Apex? Oh, he's stupid. He didn't use a discount code. Good. How's that exceed the file size? Are you freaking kidding me? Man, I can't show you guys. Let me see. I'm trying to show you guys this guy's chart. He's like trading like this. terrible. I'm gonna put in the chat of our VC. Look at this guy's chart. I don't even know how he trades on that. That's terrible. Yeah, you see that? Dude, that's terrible. So Zachary, there's a chat within the VC. It's just on the right-hand side of the screen. It's on the top right-hand corner. There's like a little chat bubble. Tabs? What are you talking about? It's just on the right top-hand corner of your the screen you're watching. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. On the computer, it's the top right-hand corner of your screen. Oh, you're not on the Discord screen, I see. BDM, all caps. Dang, that's, or sync. Yeah, you could do sync too, but BDM works too. Yeah, BDM's $18 too. Everybody's code is 90% off right now. Yeah, yeah, that's why it's one of the guys in the mentorship. He posted this, asking a question like, dude, I don't even know what I'm looking at. Like, I don't even know what, like, this is terrible. Please fix your screen. I just delete everything. Just delete everything off your screen. And the colors are gnarly. Dang, dude, we didn't get an order block. I just missed it. Or it just can blast to day low. Oh yeah, here we go. Displace that low. It's no. That's the scaling model. So you don't risk losing your funded accounts. Yeah. Yeah, so exactly. So, like, you know how right now when you're trying to do the evals, you have that trailing drawdown? Right? You just got 5 more? Let's go, dude. You know how you have that trailing drawdown? So you have that trailing drawdown in the funded accounts too. But once you hit $2,600 in profit in the account, that trailing drawdown stops and now you can grow a buffer. So like you use the scaling model so you don't blow your account while you have that trailing drawdown. And then you use the trailing model to, oh dude, it's about to hit day low, let's go. And then you use the trailing model to scale your account so you can get bigger position sizes and make more money over time. It's just a way to protect your accounts so they don't blow and then also grow your profits equivalent to what your buffer is. Yeah, you can't start with more. It's just not smart. Dude, Daylo's about to smack. It's close. I'm moving my stops to the order block. No, I don't think so. Actually, with yesterday's losses, you definitely would have blown your account if you were scaled up. Yeah. That's why you use lower But like in the beginning, once we hit $1,000 in profit, we can add a contract. So once we hit $1,000 in profit, we add one contract. So now we're trading with 4 MNQ instead of 3. Once you hit $1,500 in profit, now you do 5 MNQ instead of 3. So, and then once you hit that $1,000, it's every 500 you add a contract. Yeah. I'm gonna just take full TP. I don't know if it goes lower than day low. I mean, it definitely could. It definitely could go to the next day low. But for me, I'm gonna just close out there. It might not even do it. It might. I know, dude. It just missed it. Just missed it. No, I'm at the 5-minute order block. 23,492.75. My take profit's 23,437. Flat. How'd that not hit you at 7.5? Wait. Let me see. Oh, the low of that is 23,438. You were off by 50 cents. No, the low of that candle is 23,438. Oh, 7.5. Oh shoot, yeah, a quarter. All right, move my stops to the order block, so hopefully we don't get stopped down. Hopefully it hits that day low. But still, that's a sick trade. Yeah, you still had a sick trade today. I know, how did it not smack TV? I was $1 off. Nah, usually if it's gonna go to day low, it'll always smack it. Like it always will hit it. Not almost hit it, it'll hit it. Now what it could do though is stop us out before it actually hits it, but it will hit day low. It's just a matter, is it gonna go up before it does it, before it goes back down? But we could get another order block here and go down a little lower. But I think either way, I've locked in $200 in profits across all my accounts, which is a grand on the day. Yeah, what is my PA at now? We're almost back to $49,000, and we're up $1,000 now in drawdown. Let's go. Yeah, that's the discount. Your first month is at the 90% discount. So your goal is to get funded within the first count, but you're probably gonna blow it either way. Yeah. 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 No. It's one time. We might get stopped out here. Let's see. Is he gonna stop us out? All right, we're stopped out. Trade's done. That's a great trade. That was a killer trade. That's a great trade. Let's go. Up 183.50 for the day. That's sick. Let's get more of those. I don't care if it does or not. I have no idea what it's gonna do. I mean, technically you are getting a unicorn to the upside, but I'm not taking that. I'm done for the day. I did my 3 trades. Yeah, that's great. That's a great day. Great day. Let's go. Maybe we can get some more like that. This model I'm excited for. I'm so excited for this model, dude. Let's go. I made I don't even know across everything. 183 times 7 or no 13. 183 times 13, whatever that is. Let's see. I'll refresh my resync. We're up for the day. No, it's not right. I'm very happy with that trade though. Oh, that felt good. Oh. Yeah. Well, the bummer thing was yesterday should have been a one and done. I mean, that should have. I messed it up, but now we're good. Now we're good. You're even getting a 5-minute unicorn at you right here. No, I'm done. I took my 3 trades. I gotta stay. I'm gonna stay so freaking disciplined on this for these next 3 months. Yeah, that'd be stupid. Yeah, because you still your stop loss would go to day low, and you still haven't hit day low, so it very much could come and stop you out before it moves. It could also rip, but like who? Yeah, for me, I'm like I don't care. We caught that move that we just caught was a 121 point move, and we caught that other trade that was another. That other trade we caught was another 28.25 points. So you caught 150 points today. Like that's a great day. People beg for days like that. Yeah, you would have made a lot of money on that account. And eventually we'll be trading with that size. Like that's the cool thing about the scaling model. Eventually you will be trading with that size. Our max for these accounts you can trade to is 10 NQ. So eventually through the scaling model, hopefully we have the accounts that long, we can get to 10 NQ trades, which is 100 MNQ. So yeah, why go higher? You're just risking losing your account. There's no benefit in going higher. Yeah, you don't benefit from that. No. Once you're funded, you restart. The funded account restarts everything. Yeah. Yeah, I wish you could keep that profit. You start off with a $3,000 buffer. That'd be sick. That's how it should be, yeah, but that's not. They wouldn't win that way. All right. Yeah, it does. All right, stream. I'm gonna call it for the day. That was a great trading day. We ended the day green. Our model's working. Yesterday our model worked. I messed it up because it was my first day on the live account, but it's a great day, winning day. I'm stoked for it. And yeah, let's go. I'm very happy with today. So we'll see you tomorrow at market open. doing the same thing. And tomorrow is a crazy day. Tomorrow's FOMC, GDP. Tomorrow's a very crazy day. So please, please, please be careful trading tomorrow. You should not be trading around 11 a.m. or is it 8 a.m. EST? Or no. 1 p.m. EST. 11 a.m. my time. You should not be trading. That's when FOMC is happening. GDP rate goes down. FOMC press conference. We need to be careful tomorrow, but also it should be a